Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan, a mom of four beautiful girls, and today I'm going to show you on how we take this hairstyle from this natural hair and to this hairstyle. All you need for this hairstyle is just your styling gel or edge control, your rubber band, and something to extend the hair. So let's get started. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize the hair, spray the hair before you get started. So I'm going to leave you now and let you enjoy the view. Just follow, wash my hands as I style this hairstyle, and yeah, and if there's a place I need to talk, I will say something. So let's just wash it together. You see, after we section each one into four, and the two in the middle, which is the one I'm doing right now, we are going to pack this one and twist it. It's going to be four each, which is in the middle. So the side that I section first is the part we are going to end the hair later. So just keep watching. Let me shut up my mouth and allow you to enjoy the view. here is the hair I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using two strands of each. And the hair is not going to be enough for me to make it one. I'm going to add some hair together, but I'm going to be using two strands for each hair I'm going to make. So this first side, I'm going to use two strands to do it. And the reason I love this hair is very light and it's nice. It's very easy to work with. But you can do you. You can do, if you want to use another hair of your choice, you can do it. And if your child hair is also maybe longer than mine, than Victoria's, you can just make the hair that way, leave the hair or pack it, whichever way that it suits you. Yeah, because this hairstyle I'm doing right now is going to be like three in one. Like she's going to pack it with different style. I'm going to show you how she's going to pack it with different style at the end of this video. Just keep watching to see how it's going to turn out to be later. So this is the last one we are doing right now. When we are done, that's when I'm going to start packing the hair.